Marathon Music Works. This used to be an old automotive plant, manufacturing facility back in the day. Today they've turned it into a cultural mecca where there's art, food, and fun. There are music venues here, there is an art gallery across the street, and I wanted to show you a little bit about what inspires me in Nashville concerning transportation, planes, trains, and automobiles. So I'm standing here in front of one of Olga's paintings, and Olga was actually an immigrant that came here from Moscow years ago. When she arrived, it was just her and her son, and she didn't even speak English. She took a couple of classes from a local artist and began to paint, and now she has her own gallery. She's a woman-owned business in Nashville who supports other local artists. So if you're really looking for the way that art in Nashville can propel people forward, she's a great example.